E is for airboat, zooming fast and free. Over swamps and rivers, come along with me. B is for boat, sailing on the sea. Waving to the dolphins, happy as can be. C is for canoe, paddling left and right, gliding through the water, oh what a sight. D is for deny, small and light, bouncing on the waves, what a joyful flight. E is for spare, a ship big and strong, sailing through the oceans all day long. F is for ferry, carrying folks with cheer across the sparkling waters, far and near. G is for gondola, drifting nice and slow through canals so calm where the waters flow. H is for houseboat, floating on the lake with a little garden and a cozy place to bake. I is for icebreaker, slicing icy seas, making paths for others with the greatest ease. J is for jet ski, zooming with a splash over waves so wiggly, making quite a dash. K is for kayak, paddling all around the river, stream and lakes, immense sure to be found. L is for lifeboat, saving friends in need. Brave and helpful, always there to lead. M is for motorboat, vroom vroom on the waves, speeding past the seagulls, little boat that braves. N is for naval ship, strong and proud, sailing on the ocean, tall and loud. O is for ocean liner, giant on the sea, with decks so shiny, come and ride with me. P is for a pirate ship, treasure maps in hand, sailing through the waters to a far-off land. Q is for Queen Mary, graceful on the tide, with sparkling decks and windows open wide. R is for raft, floating slow and free through jungle rivers, come along with me. S is for submarine, diving deep below, underwater wonders, come on, let's go. T is for tugboat, pushing ships with might, helping them along always day and night. Q is for U-boat, hiding in the sea, gliding through the water silently. V is for Viking ship with a dragon at the bow, sailing bold adventures, oh wow, oh wow. W is for water taxi, carrying folks so fast, zipping through the city, watch it go past. X is for Sherbak, a ship with sails so bright, dancing on the ocean, what a happy sight. Y is for yacht, shiny, smooth and grand, sailing on the waves with fun at hand. Z is for Zodiac, bouncing over foam, adventure never stops, on water we roam. Dumb